GC News, Mima Obibia Akwawa. I had here latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. Eluti, so we can subscribe here. For more than say, over subscribe to their channel. You may answer over click the subscribe button. Now, belly notification or answer the video be uploaded. When the first person I want to have a video, I feel we are while I keep you to give us a thumbs up. Nafi. Shema of first will be here and say, had your latest and hot news corner midday Bremo. Afriyie Bora and Sammy. Young share a year and Sema Abeto Yeproso. Yeti years and come here cousin Sammy Ababutu Yeti.
No, what the end is for Exia? What the end is for Exia and our bonnet? Wow, the couple of the chef on the table to the as watching a Cassiano. Omukonya no Addo. Pursue the damn press, I said, oh, sorry. Then I go for what yes, you
you don't just start by saying, say, Mumfri Munja galamsey too. Adia Bakwa, a signature for this Akufo Addo government has to do with, say, Alaska. Yam planning, yes, dear. Yes, sorry, dear baby, Timbia near Tessia Bontina, yeah. But I say governance, no, yan, it should be a well structured kind of a thing. Alaska, so we implement it there. You need to go through the processes because policy, you don't just throw out policy. Policy, what tenacity, but say there is a problem. You discuss the extent of the problem. Then you look at the other alternatives that are available. Okay, the bit to solve the problems, Now what check it. The side and side, the pros and the cons, and the possible outcomes, the feasibility, how I never bit problem no solve to what extent. So what's national way yes way about the time a policy in the unintended consequences dear, but it will be minimal. So you will never introduce a policy where unintended consequences overshadow the real intent and the purposes of whatever you are throwing out. And may say a signature of this government because Abraham the free SHS air banner. They rolled it out as a political reparation package. Alaska, my culture say with me by work Monday to Friday. Me wakasi wa me de becha. Enti wo ba no as to whether you ma obey there, I don't care.
Okay.
Enti manya kasa me de be ma Alaska, it doesn't matter say asem no betena se kan ya no aye contemptuous asabi. E car me am de obetena ha no me bo no chen car na me de ma no we no. I don't care. Makasa me de ma no de eno masa say come. Sa police for no ma ba no mbro for no masa say come. Enti wo da kolebu na nsuo si so kra once a masa say come na de obetwe form de wakọ. Oh, adwin ni ho tena se hu say masa say come there but oda kolebu ya de kanula ahye ne nsa ho oji nsuo masa say come obetwe form de wakọ sana Akufo Addo aban na kwakoye because I will introduce such a policy Alaska ekwatia oboase there are several me say galamsey near livelihood. So you need to provide the alternative. Say you want free galamsey say an social package and an incentive ya within the panoko. Me I know so there is a solution to this galamsey thing. Alaska, one of the boldest decision solution make on say we are government. You can stop all individuals on owning concession. Time can say was say your friend say akwetia no more your friend saying state companies are no more in charge of those things. Alaska, right. May your government I'll pass a law. I be ban every single individual for owning a concession in this country. And you know what you do? You set up about 500 companies, state-owned companies. Alaska, each of these companies, let them employ 2,000 each of the youth in this country. Not for more mining.
2,000 each.
500 companies, let each of them employ over 2,000 young people. And I'm saying state companies and a year into mining in Alaska, they will never do anything about say and say.
Okay.
Because and yes, state-owned enterprises would train professionals or the modern way of doing the mining and as a form no. And no more leading these companies. I yet employ young people. Can you imagine the number of people that employ into this small scale mining? Individual. Enya dajem kwatena ho no nko akasa ya me mining ntiri de mepe. We are then you set a central pool company where gold no be nyina no will go there. say refinery never you say never you and it is up to us. Alaska, at the end of the day,
gold
na yenya from sa area no, the state can account for
it. Hot news all time.
Galamsey no mutu no. State now accounting for obiao. There are people who are smuggling gold out of this country. State in your way. But on my beer, some of these are good dear no. You should be able to account for to know and gold or war, no gold or winning how much any flow minum.
That's right.
But some of these things, me say yen tenancy can say a solution for the problem. Yes, soldier for unko nguram. No munko tu ye friend say omunko bo omunko stop here man for na no me say na papa we your friend saying former Nyahota Maklo.
That's right.
Or see, oh, say the soldier folk go ngurama 1 week, they will stop the galamsey. Let me see, oh, Sammy. We see, I understand him or a military person.
That's right.
And in the time, you know, not discipline, not just values and the principle, never military. But Alaska, I am telling you, sir, today that thing is gone.
92.3.
Because circumstances are the first why they recruit to soldier for no, a dying assistant. So, idea, I had discipline, I had a cornerstone for the military profession over the years and you know sadie ni hobium and until obiti baby say oh baby a Ghana kwe dia soldier for beje na omo ye cool ya me say e oh bodam unim dia wo ka because soldier for na no omo ye cool first no enye bi e da wo ho ene.
That's right.
Because ene no e party soldiers within the military high hierarchy. Go there and look at the kind of politics they are doing there. And the recruitment, kwabenya kwanya wura soldier no mu a where you stand across the political divide.
Sure.
And you think say cool bi ba na soldier for beje oman na o mbebu oman ama o. Omo kwa na betete oman na pansam no. So that is not an option. Soldier for na ye do omo call for galam stop na se for no. At some point in time, Alaska, I said me say minimum young people a omo ye soldier for. Anya omo nyina. Omo munya kwanya ko nwuram no. Omo ba ye no omo ye. They came back rich. Minimum boa. Oba yana no mo say to talk cars. Ebinum became fabulously rich to the extent say omo jai military no. Omo bia bi omo nkasa omo personal companies. Oh, I'm telling you, you can check. And right now me can say we CTV. Me say some of the young guys na no Operation Vanguard na say for no. Omo free nwuram ba no. No omo ye. Omo fa military ni nya hwe biem.
92.3.
NPP say nipa no ko nwuram say okocheke galamsey anasa okoso okopesika because omo tete omo kono mu say what to go ran ya bo apinyan gold na wanya nya na omo age omo afa we yom bebo otu akun. That is what they were doing. And others so were protecting people like your friend saying Ashanti regional minister and the DPO report to me
regional chairman. People
were protecting somebody like your friend saying Akonta mines or forest O2. You see nipa no mo ye sa niema we nyina ye high ranking government official me tell me concession the two galamsey Akufo Addo where he knows them na yantia na at the eastern region western region omo call meeting na ye kasa ye the soldier for aba ho the whole DCJ microphone ka say soldier for no mo de omo ba ha no they didn't bring them here say omo be fight galamsey. It is a woman soldier ni ba bono.
Hot news all time.
I know I PC. But not DC regional minister.
Okay. PC are upper Kweku Parliament was telling people say soldier ni say uniform no ba yam bono. Alaska in a country discipline wo panyini down as a leader. Such comment the very moment that person make that comment no. Even PC no cry no so different in some. But I didn't see here. What can't find who since they nobody and our babon condemn it. So we can say Akufo Addo and Akufo Annan Net2 galamsey and he's not willing. He has never been willing. Now no maybe me catch say nya daje chini ye prison na kohwehwe atsawan. So krom ha be catch me. I told you. Say check all our prisons. Ko check it. So we hu ashawan o krom ha ya. But Ghana for now, no Attorney General say, oh, we've been able to jail over 200 and something. That guy is a joke. Alaska, boys, you know more jail or no? Aye, individuals are that sort of comedy no. Only a juma yet because of desperation. And a wako galamsey site na okoye bad day. Na soja for picking the na cotton sawam. Ye nina sem. But nipa na only concession, you know. China nina emra man of who can say omra krom has a magic concession, you know. And they are so called Western region. Some of the town they almost for Chinatown.
That's right.
Or China for Ajiafa. Omutu galamsey say and say. So galamsey we are because he blame nobody. It is the president. He is solely responsible because you see on show leadership. Makacho say Alaska in the state in wahu every single individual be a war mind be potential to be evil. That is the last time Makacho say Yesu Christo backroom has a seer and as a one checking out. Whenever hosono no found for 92.3 because the environment will corrupt him. Asura about for backroom or basa see so almost a day on by young crew for you and almost sa. We almost say about for a woman almost a munko beam or about for the chromajai.
Because a word.
Omonanya abafobiem sanete enti Yesu bakroma na se yamfa yanya de papa mena mesua bia wani beba ahoso na waje ma amamfo yira ma ntokwa a obekọ Yesu fie na amamfo mo de ma na se kan di na chi nya de ketwa e cho say always we are president and you need to show leadership. Alaska, have you seen leadership? Because leadership no the punitive consequences in as for na be mani pa hu say wo ye niema we ya. These are the sanctions I will have face, you know. And never many patron in one free move. But for say yes, as I fight a galamsey. I have papa when and Sammy Meya, Professor from Boakye. This is a good old professor. What can I see your investigation? The report come out president. And Professor Agyapong notif you. Or no, quite galamsey we know. Mensah Akufo Addo is the biggest tragedy happened in the history of this country. Biggest tragedy. I am telling you. Akufo Addo is the biggest. And then I may be say. Akufo Addo na Accra House of Folk me who there disaster. Oh yes.
Why must you compare Accra House of Folk to Nana?
Na House of Folk there na mo me meeting wo be House of Folk na Akufo Addo me say who there disaster. Ena ne nam ho na omomienu obi ani vision obi anim de oye. Yes. Alaska
House of Folk and Togbe Afade.
Alaska. Nye team na da infrastructure mo sisi adai ba just no ye fa nye team. Alaska team not dying. Yes, infrastructure and for very, very important when they come to way said. But team nankasa they has in them. Or has in it. So we has in it. So we has in it. So Alaska, you see, leadership are very, very important. And this is one show now oral language that particular thing at and yeah, brother baby. Makacha said Ednam said the president is historically incompetent, you know, and a man for the thing channel more children what to do.
That's right. That's right.
Ghana and remember Dr. Srebo number ma we almost unse we you for issue your fancy statement. Ghana Medical Association. Almost then president need to do something.
That's right.
A man for a threaten labor unions, UTAG, jump on in crow for are threatening say baby and near Mexico no. Say a buying and to tune in near my ya. Omodo near my go our demonstrate. Why? Because they know say state in your not say oh yeah adibia wait me address these challenges and I yet home. It be catch us say you need leader. Or mine I yet no penny nim. You are man for almost sisi ho, but they are not leaders. They are not running nothing. They are just making money. And Akufo Addo from day one has been protecting these hoodlums, these criminals. Not taking over natural your friends are your forest and as for to the extent say ne and come for Timiko forest him say you Kwaku galamsey
virgin forest
forest and that from Kwame Nkrumah pencil now Kwame Nkrumah no nimyansa say to galamsey
but I watch him what Kwamoto
yes Rollins by no so you no kratu na sekan enka obetimi atutu sa nema we nyina Mills na Mahama Akufo bae but Alaska look at where we are today and we benya obi amana ko parliament ko defend say na mo pencil mo say no and I make say Ghana is serious country and such jokers will not get a platform let alone go to parliament so we are Ghana near about one a yekoto ye 2016 no and 2020 no e honsu sanso nie because you can't eat your cake and have it. The irresponsible leadership no there be a can ho asem people think say oh e bia your time na papa na mo mpena say no say no eno na ye nyina ye namu ene ai ne president still nanim but among for na chere na car can say onchim ko ha na onchim ko ha because ye ton ye hotel no and the same workers union na threaten ye.
That's right.
Say I'm back down on our decision to sell the hotels sir. They will go on demonstration. E ho na yesi aba beduru ndey. Now Alaska we a leader wa my mu a among for the better what to do if you really know what you're doing. So Akufo Addo them say wa kwapem. Ye be kai no, kai de be kai no. But we will remember him as the most. So why win him?
The most what?
Oh, Alaska why win him? President Obaya wa mebo bra. What it your minor pansam no. Ama Ghana na ye kwye ni man na ye take about 10 giant steps backward. And we are Ghana near what dream would da now have a beer na Ghana, Gina have a beer Gina near. Alaska, you can be proud of your country. And that to me is that near Messi can was going forward in Alaska, the Medicare solution number 1 they say yen take it away concession.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube
from individuals.
Hot news all time.
Now yen creating about 500 state-owned companies.
All time.
I bet me employ over 2,000 youth each. Now yen making sure say we provide them with the guidelines. Equipment and as for me go into mining because sika ho to be can say sika ni ho. Sika ho. Na say yet me regulate. Na say nipa 2,000 no be ye adwuma under each Alaska we can pay them.
That's right.
Go on ho adwuma na ye kan. We can pay them and this will even generate your friends employment. I don't know, we don't need soldiers to go kwapamo be free with them.
That's right.
Because a state-owned companies and they lead this animal way. And a simple solution.
That's right.
So why can't we do it? I agreed. Because first no more yeah. And na chama ya bo ya first abuakwa who so betu bobo company aluminium company deben we bauxite company na so no. Yes, you can do these things and the issue of galamsey small scale mine or whatever will go away because no individual even group sabu ya individual now you have the expertise in the technical whatever form a company. Na mon famra na mon chere and say indeed you do you be regulated. Now what the command na anasa we ne sabasa a man for will run to the bush obi abaya the ope and they will destroy our soil. You can't leadership. This is leadership where people will think but catch say you see leadership yen tron to a buo bi so and I am painting gu adan bi ho okokan na odi bebu o man. Alaska leadership template are very flexible.
Okay.
One kasa you adjust it to your local circumstances. And we have problems say they sit here now why that was the last time I was telling you, say, soldier for the police for 6 months, you see, you can look elsewhere and say, almost no but Alaska, our local circumstances approve to us, say, yes, I am why.
That's right.
Because my character said, Obia onim nyansa for 25 good years. Do you think you can use 6 months to train that person and make him wise to the stance that would do to a in some?
No.
What am I you say, Mr. Leadership, I common sense. Obia onim nyansa. Now, what term forms a man for police training college? Do you think you can use 6 months to train that person and give him gun? And yes, a police in Ibi, or Uber. And a wafa passenger, and ordinary Kumasi baby. Omoko duru ye no. Fair no, a biaba can home. And now, a branch and say, own tia because a door so police in so ubetia. Police in the key to a train over boy no kuno. I wouldn't say, oh, Kumasi. I am telling you, sir, if you pick a fool and use 6 months to train him and arm him with a gun, one casano, you are more hot-stopper than Nipana Wayano. Because you can't use 6 months to purge stupidity out of Obi. It's the reason why from day one, my catcher said, baby, Drew, no, young set police training academies where people will go to police training for 3 years. Just like teacher training,
that's right.
Just like nursing training. So by the time Alaska, the intelligence way of doing modern police where IT, terrorism, then as a form of a honor crime no do no. Because Alaska, major crime or mind be a face, internet is woe. Major crime baby, and this a woo training or policy for no soldier for William, or move from Homa at TC form, Yanamata, Yam Yam far much in your police and also nay. Exactly. For the drone, more sophisticated intelligence, and then obiti which I am crying still. Boys are more pretty drones than as a form. Some are old soldiers or more caught battle for the Molusu or more legs or more except prosthesis. But because of the intelligence that they have, they sit behind their computer and they drop bomb elsewhere. Ukraine and Russia way, Obian walk out to bomb or motifie, and they are using machines and equipment to do the exchange. So it is about the brain. Now, and maybe say, how often do we even subject our security forces to psyche evaluation? Because I didn't win the panel team, you see, Obi from the background, or corner or get exposed to some of this trauma. Yabo bitu obi theater, me hospital mahumbi. The first time I school I call theater. You call theater in Alaska. Na me first surgery me witness here na ye cesarean section.
Okay.
Enti doctor no twa ase kakra bi no e na ode ne nsa hye ha na o se me mfa me nsa hye ha na nti yantwe e ho na me hu sa nipa skin e yeden.
Wow.
Ya twe na hoden mu na chese wo twe entwe me mate ba ko gira na watu ahwe fam. Na so hu bi da.
Nipa skin na dem pa won.
Ne den. Nipa skin na ye de blade twa ema ehwate e na ono de ne nsa asofa na me de me nsa asofa e na ye twea bayim ansa na wase atwa bi aka ho me mate no hu ya no tuhwe fam. So you see enti obisa na wanya ya obenya
also psychic
yes
psychological trauma
PTSD obenya bi sa post traumatic disorder and as people get it. So sa na police for ni soldier for tie anything na akọ America soldier for no mo call Iraq na so for do na abodam.
That's right.
Some depend on drugs because of PTSD ni na so for no it is na ya ha soldier for no police for sa na ebinum tie obuko hu sa na na. So very often you subject them to psyche evaluation to be able to understand their state of mind. Nipa way I was say your custody tuition in some na Alaska ye de both abodam for no mo odam nyina to asho mo say na mo na dam abonten. Enti wuti anya na okohia bia wonim de wabodam na wonim de omodam. Maka cho say amamuo no ye ntron to stones bi so Alaska aya adwen ni nyansa. You look at your modern environment, what is happening. Now one kasano, what we will solution to address the challenges. Because you cannot see how soldier for bunipa, police for bunipa, elections do you who they see what touching. Now soldier near us ya training nasa binyansa wonitim. Obako touching akwa heni point more to 2.3. Meaning who be away gira.
That's right.
Gira omo ye demonstration. Protesters no were running away. Na so de nia tena se gauge Akoto ni bi da me say battlefield to obi retreat a yentu ni tuo you must be only coward and na tu nipa tuo abra nipa na retreat ana odwane but we don't see all these things. So Alaska leadership remains a constant factor and I am telling you so we are Ghana ni now do back to another thing. Bawumia say amam for to abama no when be president. I think that chairman about that particular point so. Right. Alaska. So head you see wo wale I honorable me free bar leadership on the back door no. Nipa no mo contest elections no. Ba ko ye ne sister. E na ba ko ye ne de
the special assistant.
The special assistant. And as a leader no. Yes, you fair competition na so for but what can I say ahwenhwe han e ma sa nkrofo mienu e battle out to the stand say I know the day no and some kofa by na nyasem violence esi ye e wo that particular place no now be say even at that small place enclave family members na you involved no you cannot even control them.
How much more?
How dare you come back and tell us people should give you the country to run? And Alaska ade yemme ya mama koma yemme ya ne say you see some na cause Ghana problems na affect you at this time you expect to say this guy will go out there and tell people say I share your pain.
That's right.
I understand your pain. We are doing something to mitigate the pain. But he doesn't talk about the problems. He's out there nani agia minim so onu mi nuro bi o sade yo ojina platform no so I say nani agia minim wiase a wowom na say o sere so ye den yo and I say comedy and o de Ghana for adwene di Alaska because we are economist na say economy no abua pansamene and the galamsey issue they say they sit here now we are not talking about any of these things na nsama all kano any connection via with what is happening and ramete say na no all launching the manifesto there say samoja watching ya ba come asem so it's a special way I just want to talk about something but Alaska winim calf for ban the Ghana for say your stadium na we have say no bakokro no are fit for people on my Ghana we say the Brazil of Africa.
That's right.
At Kumasi Sports Stadium, Accra Sports Stadium, about 6 months ago we closed this stadium down, spending over millions of dollars a year renovation.
Exactly.
Now let's go. Yeah, Omanya serious. I'm saying I'm telling you.
That's right.
Omanya president woman.
Sports minister.
Omanya leader woman in Kobidan Sawam because we closed this stadium down too. Spending a fortune to do a renovation. And na car for catch and say, your stadium no a bien or you fit for purpose. Again, me catch you about AstroTurf. The amount of money you use here to do AstroTurf for Chroma saying. And then your stadium be fit for purpose. And then Bawumia na someone then also we Johnny Kotna Hokoya manifesto catch and say Omo be 6 new more stadium. Alaska and young crab in the whole team. And young crab in the whole team. Stadium now Hana Yasaba Kukreno fit for purpose. Yentimi renovate, including the one I see on one and when I know our northern region. Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium. Just a window crab and your fit say the Ghana Premier League in Po. Now no Kumasi de na yebon. We are kete a yebon man, no more than we are born and I'm so my we are born.
That's right.
Yes. And not just we have jokers running this country. Typical jokers. The only difference between them and the normal joker or the normal bontain is these people are wearing expensive suits. Oh yes, that is the only difference. These jokers are wearing expensive suit as against normal jokers. We need to get serious. Yentimi fa Ghana ni adwin ni agro. Kwa Alaska wo hende ma we nyina sina to ani ne ka chosa na anu adai. Ya the $50 million FED athlete. E wo krom ha ya
18 days.
For 18 good days.
Nasa nipa ba ku bia no a day no 10,000 Ghana say 100 million. Na unni osuno kura
no, you see, and I say, you see, sometimes people don't understand some of. Now, no, me Dr. Ren interview or one of the radio stations UK. Then somebody came on the line. Now say, oh, and Jabena Yaki Canana, you name the Akufo Addo aye, or your Ghana card, or you say, oh, moving away, I'm a bottom. Because you see, Alaska, you took Kwanya, young Copeska, you see, young Saka home. Corona with him no, says, I'm not at your pants, I'm a national and come far bag free Ghana, Cotton, London. Somebody didn't answer affected the system, making sure say even when your problem now for ambulance within a minute, and I say within a minute or two, you get help. On my team, no, that is not the case. And the serious economic, both micro and macro economic challenges are affecting Ghana. Environmental degradation, corruption. Yes, individuals are more twisted minds. I said, who besides a Nyansa with the team and I say Nyansa in the team. And I do go mine. And on mine, I say, na ye can't. What said what to cry and nipping so you took Uncle Nyansa near the Pesicano. When I'm not who defend this, I never say, I dream Ben, oh, team. I dream Ben, Alaska. It's so funny. And they were too near this guy in recent time at NAPO.
That's right.
My catcher said, Sapapano, Mahum penny on the problem, Nyansa no ni. As simple as that.
Oh, Nina.
Oh, Dabi. You see, it's unfortunate, say, you have a cancer as a natural upon but who will be a Sabi only Nyansa, you know, Claire said, this is a guy, Sabi. I didn't find Nyansa being in the team.
Right.
And I'm shocked. Said the NPP as a political party. Over the years, yeah, Brandon is a party of intellectual because growing up, that is what some of us had. Doctors, professors, deben. Party no action who could do a point to say, or when you be uncle fan NAPO. So may your running mate. And you see, I am not saying this thing because I don't like him. I am saying this because of and some original platforms are all can. When it tell me so open your bomb, I say, Medim Krofo, you cry back and say, this is a guy. This is a guy on the platform. Somebody. Or you likely.
Tiwe mame. Rabi, ehwe mame.
Bible must have about bejon. And show no more. Now Odi and this fuachia. Odi and this fuachia and how I wow. The Akoto didn't share for the Tibo Chiluma, as watching a Cassiano. Owu no do. Owu pursue the bank press as I do sorry. Then Akoto wada. Yes, no wada.
And Messiah, you see, so we have problem at Ghana Nemu, the youth unemployment, the end Nemu. Now this joker. Because this unmitigated joker. Are you likely person to become your vice president? You know Ghana is in crisis.
Right.
Yo, waiting for when and some about better yepuno so because you so and my work no so when you subscribe here or more than so best subscribe to the channel. This answer had here later and hot news in Kwa and I'm a Afriyie no like video no nothing share my offer for sooner when you be here. No who else somewhere and Koso Ewo Dara Memano. Was over to me actually working after a year and some way now I will comment box them. Mobati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.